Hey guys, Mac here. Real quick one for you this evening. I've noticed quite a few people asking about this full disk access issue with Acronis True Image. I'll show you what I mean. I've just started the True Image app and you can see that it's asking me to add or to grant full disk access. So let's have a look in our security preferences. And you'll see that it's already there. But actually, when I start the app again, there we go, you can see that it's still asking for access. So I'll show you quickly how to fix it because it's not that obvious. So what I've been doing, let me just unlock this, is going in here, removing it and adding it again from the applications folder in here, which seems like the way to do it, but it isn't. So let me show you how you do it. So what I'm going to do is just fire up that True Image app. It's going to ask us about the full disk access, and what we're going to do is actually, do you see this icon here? What's not obvious is that you can pick that up and drag it. So if you pick that up and drag it to here, click later, you'll see that there's actually two executables in there now rather than just the one that you picked up from applications. Now if we go into here and restart the app, you'll see that it works without that prompt, and also it will now go through and back up properly, whereas actually just adding it from the applications doesn't work properly. It's not very intuitive, that. I completely missed it, so hopefully this might help someone else avoid the same issue.